Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a Halloween themed pumpkin cake. Yes, you heard me. It's a cake made with an actual pumpkin. So this way we'll no longer have to waste our Halloween pumpkins. We can use it to make this beautiful and gorgeous tasting pumpkin cake. If it's your first time today, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. Thank you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For the first part, I'll be using 1/3 of this medium-sized pumpkin. I'll first cut them into wedges, then I'll peel off the skin before steaming the pumpkin. I'll place this in my steamer and I'll steam it for about 30 minutes. Once it's ready, throw it into a blender. It should be about 100 grams of steamed pumpkin. Then I'll add 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of white sugar, 40 milliliters of cream, and 2 eggs. To these, I will add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'll be blending this all together. Once this is blended together, I'll pour it into my mixing bowl. I'll be adding 100 ml of sunflower oil, and I'll mix it all together to combine. And now it's time for my dry ingredients. I'll be using 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, bit of nutmeg, ginger, and clove. I'll mix all the dry and wet ingredients together. Just make sure that it's well incorporated. Pour it into a baking tray and bake for 30 minutes exactly at 177 degrees Celsius. Now this pumpkin cake is ready and it smells absolutely beautiful. I wish you can just smell the sweet aroma through your screen. And I can't wait to tuck in and have a little bite of this yummy delicious cake. I hope this inspires you to not throw away your pumpkin after Halloween celebrations, but to rather put it to good use. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next Friday. Goodbye. Watch out for part 2 of this video, my beginner's guide on how to carve a pumpkin.